ICT Raj Solution. We thank for those who subscribing our videos, liking our videos, and those who are sharing and commenting, because we said the more you comment, the more we know where we can improve and which video should we bring in and which challenge you are facing so that we can give you solutions. So thank you very much. So today we are going to see uh, how do I automate my Excel to be able to come up with colors in my work. Some people are getting problem in giving colors in the work, like an Excel of this type. Uh, you may find an Excel of this type, and you ask yourself, how did it come in? How did this color came? Okay, so like this you are seeing. So that's what we are going to see. How do I differentiate these colors to find that there is yellow, blue, green, yellow, green, red in my work, and it is automated. So this is how we do it. Okay, so this is my work. Now my work, I want to differentiate T from L and NR. Okay, then again I want to show according to the performance. Okay, so here I will just highlight. Okay, so this is how we do it. Me, I'll just come and highlight here where there is these letters. Okay, I'll start with the letters. Okay, so after highlighting them, I'll go direct to home button. Then in home, there is what they call conditional formatting. Now in conditional formatting, that's where I will go and create new rules. Eh? You create a new rule. So my first rule will say I'll use the format only cell that contains. That is rule 2. I click on rule 2. Okay, format only cell that contains. Now remember, I'm formatting letters, not a value. Okay, so I'll change this to be a specific text. Okay, so if I set specific text, then containing, now which one? Let's say T. So they are saying according to our data down there, T is going to be green. Now I'll put T. After putting T, then I say format. Now the moment I format, I'll go to fill. You can say there is number, font, border, and fill. Okay, so I'll click fill. Now fill, I choose the color to be green. Now I click green. Okay, you see green has come. Then I click okay, meaning that where my T is, it is going to be green. Whenever now I change anything to T, like here, if I say this is T, it will change it to green. Okay, it is already automated. Now I'll again go back and highlight and I add another what? Another format. Now I'll just go back at condition formatting. Now I'm adding a new rule now. Another rule. Yeah, format only cell that contains, yes, specific text. Then I say contains L. So they are saying L is going to be yellow. So I'll say format, then I pick my yellow, I click OK, I click OK. So all my L is going to be yellow. Then I'm going back to see where there is NR to be read. So I'm going to add another rule. Yes, I click format rule, then choose specific text, then I say NR, then format, then I click my read. Okay, then I click OK. So you'll find now I have something looks like this. Then I go to this completeness, I highlight. Okay, so they are saying uh, below than uh, below than 50% is going to be read. So I'll just go to conditional formatting. I add a rule. Then I say format the same rule we are using, format on a cell that contains. Then now we are dealing with a value. So a value here, it is less than 50. So I'll click less than or equal to 50. Okay. So if it is less than or equal, but this one is less than not equal, so we are choosing less than. Here we put 50. Then you click OK. Less than 50. Then you format. You say less than 50 is going to be read. Then you click OK. So meaning that where there is less than 50, it is going to show me red. Okay. Now I go back and I add another rule. Then I say another rule, the same thing. Then I say now we have between, where there is between than 50.0 to 59.9. So we are going to say between 50.0 to 79.9. Okay. Then I format with yellow. Okay. So I click OK. I click OK. So you can see it has highlighted them to be yellow. Okay. So if they are saying greater than or equal to 80 is going to be green. So I'll add another rule. Then I say format this cell containing. Now we are going to choose greater than or equal to. Then you write 80. Then you say format. You choose the color, which is green. Then you click OK. You click OK. So at the end of the day, you have something looking like that. So anything you change, if I change anywhere here, like here, and I put, let's say I'm putting like 49, okay, immediately it will tell me it is red because I've already automated it, okay. So if I change, like here I put like 65, immediately it will tell me that is yellow. It is already automated. So that's how we automate our Excel cells with colors. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. We shall always give you guidance, help you in such a way that if you get where somewhere you're getting complications, let us know so that we help you. Thank you very much. Send messages, comment, like, and share our videos. Thank you very much.